Solo Performance makes some of the best aftermarket exhaust systems for the F150, so we're installing their Mach-X kit on our EcoBoost. The first steps are to remove the stock resonator, then unbolt and remove the stock muffler and over-axle tailpipe. Once those are out of the vehicle, Solo's inlet pipe can be connected to the truck's downpipe, followed by the new muffler. Once the muffler is secure, the over-axle pipes can be attached to the muffler with the supplied clamps. Be sure to get all of the exhaust hangers installed back on the truck's frame if they were removed when disassembling the stock exhaust. Once everything is secure, the exhaust install is finished.